I did not put on any mascara. You know what? And I'm not rushing to put on any mascara on either. Wagwan goodie, it is your girl City Static and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the goodie gang, okay? Yo, this thunder is not letting up. Oh my gosh. But this thunderstorm ain't stopped with me getting my package today. And guess who came in the mail today? Yes, I got me some Brandon Blackwood. So I finally got my first packages from the pre-order. I say first package because I went and I made this initial order and then the voice in the back of my head was like, and so I got something else. I got the bamboo card holder and I got the, I'm just gonna put a picture of it because I honestly don't know how to pronounce this and I'm not the only one, so I don't feel bad. So I'm gonna actually start off with the card holder because I was most excited about that. Brandon Blackwood had dropped it in February, but I missed it. And then he dropped it again recently, so I got it. I'm gonna open this first. Okay, look inside the box. Okay, Brandon, I see you, I see you. And then this is the actual card holder. And when I tell you this thing's sturdy, this thing's sturdy. Like, this has some weight to it. Oh my gosh, it's really the wrapping for me. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Like, I'm afraid to rip it because they wrapped it so well. I ripped it. But oh, this is so bomb. Oh my god, I'm so happy I got this. Okay, for my monies and then my cards. You cannot tell me this card holder ain't it. It has like the bamboo frame because the inspiration comes from bamboo earrings. Oh, Brandon, you went off on this, okay? Oh, this is so lovely. I'm actually really excited because I have a Goyard one that I wanted to switch out for the longest and I finally get to switch it out. All right, I'm getting excited. I'm gonna wait to switch it out after this video, but I'm so happy. It fits in the Telfeezes, it fits in the Brandons. I'm here for it. So this is the bamboo card holder. And it's freaking gorge. I love it. All right, so let's move on to the bag now. Came packaged so beautifully, so nice. This nice box. Okay, so now I'm going to open it up. Okay. Oh, come on. So if you can see, it came with an envelope inside. I'm gonna read it really quick. Thank you for your purchase. Enjoy your new piece and can't wait to see how you style it. XOXO Brandon Blackwood. So the bag is in a duster bag out of the box. Okay, open she up. I could just say the bags are wrapped so nicely. Like, I enjoy opening these products. Oh, this, I didn't even open it yet and I'm just like, oh. Okay. Oh, she is you look so scrumptious. I love this color so freaking much. Oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. Oh, I had to remove this so you can see the Brandon Blackwood on top of the bag. Oh my gosh, she comes with straps, but oh my gosh, I love this bag so much. Oh my gosh, it's the luxury for me. If you just need to hold your phone, your keys, your wallet, and you're having a good day or night on the town, these bags are like it. between Brandon and Telfizi. My can't take it easy because I need them all at this point in my life. Oh my gosh. But yes, this Brandon Blackwood bag is to live for. I was gonna say to die for, but no, I need to be here to rock this bag. And this card holder, oh my gosh. I love these products so much. I really do. And shout outs to Brandon Blackwood and his team. You know, despite the hiccups that's going on right now, you know, we just need to take our L's in stride and turn them L's into W's. But you did not lose me as a customer. I can definitely say I'm here for it. I love this. All right, so I'm gonna end this video here because I'm gonna enjoy my product. So all right, I'm ending the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you're notified when a video is ready for you to watch. And yes, thank you again. So stay tuned because your gal coming back with more real soon.